welcome back to another freaking YouTube video. And I know lately I've been doing these YouTube videos and your girl has been looking rough, but I'm literally fresh off work. Like, I literally just got home from work, so to hide the edges, I'm gonna just throw this hat on right quick, cause yeah. But okay, period, let's get into the video. So like, as y'all know, if you've been following me on Snapchat, you will know like okay, let's first off by start saying, like, ever since I was in elementary all the way up to I graduated out of high school, I've been taking art classes. And then even when I was younger, my mom used to buy me like the coloring books out of Dollar Tree, and like I used to love like coloring, so I always wanted to learn how to draw too. So like, I amazed myself when I started drawing in December and doing these paintings, y'all. Like, I was just so surprised at myself. And then the way everybody is like complimenting me, I'm like, damn, y'all got me feeling like an artist, baby. But no, for real. Anyways, if you haven't watched my recent video, my Sunday sketch vlog, watch it right here, period. Click the link, do what you gotta do, or just stop watching this video and go watch it now, period. But more of the story, y'all, this is my first big order that I have, because they actually want me to do a drawing for St. Patty's Day, and they want 15 of them, and she told me I could just keep the rest out of it or whatever like that. So I'm actually excited, y'all. Like, this is about to be a challenge for me, and I am ecstatic, like, literally. So yeah, y'all, so y'all just pretty much spend the weekend with me drawing for this big order, because that's what it's gonna be. And that's my mindset. I already had the whole weekend. I'm gonna work on this drawing so I can just go ahead and get it out of the way. Oh, and like my video. I know you watching, so like my video, subscribe, tell a friend to come watch me and subscribe to me and follow me. And yeah, like, period. But period, y'all, let's get into it.
Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires.
You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every day, had to talk inside. I'm in that 80 and one of the twist, different priority. I try to pay all your loans off and copy you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I still move your way from history before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one, you're not acting like the main thing. I let you play my number two, you barely made the second change.
Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. Hey. Self-control has never been your thing. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a lot. Where I'm from, they serve the soda clean. You come from a city where there's lean with the vibes. How the fuck you keep so many seats? How you going vegan but still be feeling weak? How the fuck you see so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't go cheap. I see it back in the church, remember we took it at first. Get it, got you a whip, when you got back on your shit. I had to tell Eric, go get it. I'm always moving too fast, the feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. Ooh, shawty, you tried it. Voice getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my face? Why are your stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep safe. Where did your friends all go? I can't solve your problems. You say your problems never needed solving. I was too good till you should've stayed silent. Nice guys always finish off where they started. Deja vu, you wanted things and you got it. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja.
Say you're happy now. Hope you're happy now. I wish I could bank on us. You can get none, bye, run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play a little game with you. Cause if you wanna stay, then I'll play with my heart. Yeah. You playing with my heart. Yeah. You playing with my heart. You playing with me, oh boy. Take me over. I know you got the run. Oh, take me under. I want you to be mine. Oh, you can get none, bye, run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. But you can get one. You can get one from me. One. from me. You can get one from me. Let it out, take it back, talking shit, all you do. Couldn't help thinking about that you put me through. Pardon your behavior, but if you think I'm gonna stay, then you can get way. You can get way. Then you can get way. Then you can get way. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play a little game with you. Cause if you wanna say, then you play with my heart. Yeah. You playing with my heart. Yeah. You playing with my heart. You playing with me. Oh boy.
Some people are gonna think that I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on the D, niggas go. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my private babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top, babe. She wants your name, and DDO-yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a pedicure cause I don't do the side. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it in me, you gon' do it. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on the D, niggas go. If we hop in the fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my private babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top. If I hit in front of that, she gon' hit the sidewalk. If she got a vest with her, take her back to my law. Got a been up on it, wild. And it ain't been begging, but she a style. Never keep my hoes divided. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. You know I take her so when she ride. This nigga's all years old. Shot it on the drive, it look like a demo. Every time we kick it like demo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on the D, niggas go. If we hop in the fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my private babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? outside and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I own a watch? Do I know what time it is right now? Yeah. It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever said is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the voicemails that you left me, telling me where I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I've been, I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed you. You said you never traded no, and I believed you when they told me don't. But either way, you're still invited and I can't even let you. Swear these days, all you